So hopefully audio is coming through. Give me a second. All right. Seems like audio is fine. Maybe switch up the music. Also got to get levels set up. Give me a moment. Took a lot longer than I would have expected. All right, so turn down. All right, I think everything is good, maybe. Just a little bit. All right. So yeah, welcome to today's live stream. Today is what? Oh, it's Friday. Yeah, it's end of the week. Yeah, I have a few things that I would like to get accomplished today. Whether or not I accomplish it, whole nother issue. But I have two primary objectives for this particular stream. Number one is to get a live activity that I've been working on for a code sample to get that to work properly. Second thing is I have a lot of repositories that I need to go and update. I'm not sure how much of this is going to be manual though. I may actually write a tool to help, maybe, I don't know, probably not, we'll see. Anyway, so let's go ahead and hop over to my screen. All right. Yeah, also, you know, I'm happy to, you know, answer questions and all that other kind of stuff. So if you have questions, feel free to drop it in chat. By the way, if you're watching this on LinkedIn, this does not apply to you. If you wanna chat, you gotta come to Twitch or YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and get some stuff started. We'll open up Xcode. And also, I think I need to share my phone too. Now that I think about it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to share my phone somehow. I'm gonna figure out how to do that in a moment. So let's all right, I gotta create a new scene. So give me some time to do that. We're gonna duplicate the current scene. It's gonna be screen, me, phone overlay. All right, make sure I'm on the right scene. All right, where is my scene editor? All right, I wonder if this is it gonna be treated as, yeah, okay, here we are. All right. And we want this to be tall, I think. All right, yeah, so hopefully, wait, what's up with that? Why is it clipped? Let's see, custom. There we are, cool. All right, yeah, so here is my phone. Oops. I shouldn't be showing. That has a license plate on it. Fuck. How do I, whatever. Hopefully y'all can't, yeah, you won't be able to see that. That's fine. Okay. Let me move this now over here. And I'm gonna go back to my other thing for a second and I'll switch back later. All right, so here is this project. It doesn't do anything really. I'll show it. This is written using Swift, and it's using Swift UI for the user interface. Wait, why is it not able to preview this file? This was legit working yesterday. I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh. All right. I was not expecting to have to debug something that, I shit you not, was working less than an hour and a half ago. I haven't done anything. let's see if rebuilding. Let's make sure I'm on the right phone. Yep, I am. It's almost showing up as if it's connected over my Wi-Fi network. All right, that's BB1100. This is okay. Yeah, so some of these are connected via my Wi-Fi network. Am I on the right one? Yeah, looks like I am. Let's just try to run it on my actual device and see what happens. Okay, all right, sure, that works. Man, it's stuff like this that it's, I don't know. It's stuff like this. Let me go back to the other thing. All right, here we are. So this is my iPhone screen. Yeah, it pops up as soon as you load. It's going to show an in-app message where you could do some stuff. Go ahead and close that. And here's the app that I apparently can't get to. I can't get Xcode to render the UI. Oh, there we are. Here we are. I was gonna say, like, if Xcode can't render a screen with like buttons, it's literally all that's going on. There's nothing special here. Anyways, let's do this start live activity, and you'll notice that some things happen down here. And if I scroll down, you'll see that I have a live activity. Here's the issue: it's blank. Now, if we go over to, where is it? Is it here? Where's my attributes, my bundle? No, here we are. Yeah. So if we look at this, you'll notice that it's definitely not empty. For sure, right? Like there's this little timer thing. Oh shit. No, it is empty. This is all right. I'm stupid. The notification is empty. Although that shouldn't matter, because if I, yeah, that shouldn't matter because I should be able to expand that. Oh, you know what it is? I'm stupid. I just now realized that my iPhone 12 is an iPhone 12. I can't test on my iPhone. I have to test on my iPhone 14, which is my not for development use phone. So, damn it. Let's see if I can do this all in the simulator. Let's go back to not sharing my iPhone. Damn, this whole time, I've been thinking that this hasn't been working, and it may have been working the entire time. It's just I'm on the wrong type of phone. I feel stupid now. All right, so let's see if I can run this in a simulator. Where the iPhone 14 Pro. It is paused. Wait, what? It is paused. Paused. Yeah, I was like, I think I'm writing that. Anyway, let's run this on the simulator, and let's hope that I can get a live activity to work in the simulator. Knowing Apple, it won't, but you know, doesn't hurt to try. Claims to be running. Oh, all right, here. It took forever. All right, yeah, whatever. We'll close that. Let's see if I can start a live activity. Guess, I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, yeah, it is working, man. Yeah, all right. So I have to go and let someone know who I was like, oh, this shit ain't working. It is working. It's me, user error. Wrong phone, which is embarrassing, but that's fine. All right, cool. So, yeah, the stated goal of the stream was to get this to work. And now that this is working, I don't know what to do because it's been working and I didn't realize that it was working this entire time. It's just that I was not on the right device. So I have several phones, full disclosure. So in my mind, I'm on an iPhone 14 because that's what I use for the most part. And they all look alike to me. So like, I don't know. I didn't realize this was my 12. Well, I mean, I know because it says it, but like I have a 11 somewhere. Actually, I have a 10S too. All right, let's see what we can do here. So let's bring this over to this side so you can see what I'm doing. Schema management. Yep. So the schema management, it's not really that important. It's more to do with me and this setup that I have here. Again, same here. This is the only thing that's relevant. I think this file right here. Make it full screen. So what did I do to enable this? Well, the long answer is you'll wait. I have a PR. I'll go through that. But this particular thing, I'm not going to comment on until after I commit. So give me one moment. So we'll set the app as the main target to launch. And there was other stuff that I did there too, but I guess it doesn't matter too much. And this is I don't know, like code to start the live activity. Activity, I think that's how you spell words. Let's go ahead and do one of those. We'll make this a little bit smaller. And let's open this up. What? That's not how you... Alright, so here is the, binary refinements to UI. What is this? What did I do here? Ah, okay. Alright. Go ahead and merge this, even though technically there are other refinements that I'm going to need to make. I just want to get it out of the way right now. So let me go ahead and wait, what? Your protected branches will all be enforced on this private repository. Okay, sure. I definitely want to take main. That's for sure. All right. Any other resolution? Nope, we're good. All right, so okay. So I guess what I could do is I could just walk through it. Yeah, I thought this would take longer. It's kind of embarrassing that, you know, this may have been working for the past 3 days, because that's when I finished and I realized that it was blank. And it's blank because it is blank. I didn't do a notification, and it didn't occur to me that I didn't do a notification. You know what? Let me do that, because I can see that being very confusing for anyone who pulls down this the sample application, and then let's say, for instance, they're not on the latest iPhone Pro. It's going to seem like it's not working, so they're going to run into the same perceived problem. By the way, this right here, you can lift this straight from Apple. I didn't design this. This is all Apple. What I will do is change it for one signal purposes, maybe. Where's this icon at? It's here somewhere. And some code folding would be very nice right now. Alright, so I'm going to throw some text in here just to see, like, if it's going to do something. Just in case. Alright, yeah, alright, cool. Minute. No, I'm trying to think of how I've used these live activities in the past. Alright. Say view live activity in the assistant in the dynamic island. Alright, cool. This is fine. It doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to not be empty. So whoever looks at this is like, what the hell? Alright, I also want to test this minimal thing. Where's the simulator? Alright, so we'll come here. Yep. Move. We can. Oh, no. How do you expand it? My live activity just ends. Is that what happened? in. It's empty again. What? Huh? Did I not save? It is very interesting that Xcode stores breakpoints in the project. I'm sure there's a reason. Oh wait, XE debugger. It's a stupid reason. I don't care if it's a good one. It's stupid to me. I forgot. Let's do a pull first. And I'm gonna delete this stash. I don't need it anymore. Okay, let's run this. Nope. It's a simulator, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, start. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see. How do I need to like make the thing bigger? Whatever that thing is. The what do you call this thing? The dynamic island. I have no idea how you do this. So far, I am not impressed with this. Don't want it to open the app. I want to expand. How do I expand? I know how to do it on my phone. You like tap and hold. Okay, all right, you do that. It's the same. Okay. So yeah, we got the thing. Although there needs to be a little bit more padding on the on whatever that is. I'm also not a fan that this starting out at 0, but that's fine. Let's see what happens when I send off this API request. All right, so William, wait, hold on. Is that right? Forgot what it said before. Oh man, I'm dumb. All right, so let's do some things. Let's make this not William. Let's make this I am Will Shepherd. Let's see if this will go to that. Oh, it's coming from this state right here. So I gotta figure out why. So I guess there is work to do. It's just not a total loss. I still got to figure out why my updates aren't working. It's also kind of concerning that I'm not getting logs. Or they go away. No, yeah, I'm not getting logs. This isn't great. Let's see, maybe I can get logs from here. the hell is a film grain query? Why does it keep failing? What is a film grain query? Man, Google is so useless. What is this? What is this? I remember a time in my life when Google wasn't trash. Like the first if you're not on a giant 6K 32-inch monitor like I am, you're not gonna all you're gonna see is YouTube's own content that they're promoting, which seems anti-competitive to me. And then you get all this other crap down here, which is like not really relevant. Like, why would you? It's missing the word query, man. You know what? Let's do this. Let's just put it in quotes. Film grain query failed. Let's do that. Failed. And then we'll say Mac OS, iOS. I don't know which one it is. Fine. I don't know what to do about it. It is spamming the hell out of me though. Like, it's hard to we'll stop that. That's useless.
Is everybody in the groove? Well, stick around. We're just warming up, baby.
Alright, so here is the update. This is... Let's see what other things I can do. I mean, there are no completions. What the hell? I could have swore I typed the letter A. Maybe I didn't. All right, there we are. Yeah, I think that should be it. Where are my docs at? So I was working on some new docs. Yeah, I was, yeah. V11. And I want to say it's our front end live activities. Enter, exit. Wait, why is this? Why is this different? What's up with my watch? It takes forever. Goddamn. I'm looking at the wrong one. Here we are. Why am I coming here? And why does it take so long to even do this? I don't know. This is a good question. Why does it take long? But I need to see the history to see like... What? Rated on 5/26. That's today. What? Bro, oh my gosh. I think someone changed my page. I just don't know what they changed or who did it or when. For what it's worth, this page was not created on May 26th. That's today. This was not created today. It even says updated 4 days ago. So someone did this. I didn't do this. Yeah, and like, unfortunately, whoever changed it didn't do what this person is doing, which is communicate. Like, actually fucking tell me so I can... Again, so to this page. Okay, so I don't even know how to figure out anything right now. This is I'm officially pissed off. Not at what's going on. Like, not with this person who just asked me a question. That's not it. It's my stuff being changed without anyone telling me. Typically, I wouldn't care. It wouldn't matter, but I care now because this tool. I can't talk shit. I'm technically working. On my off day, I will talk shit because I'm not a fan. Hold on, I got a bitch in my own right quick. Make this smaller so the screenshot won't be like 7 or 18 megabytes, 17, 18 megabytes. So we'll do that, and I will also do a screenshot here, and light. We're gonna. It's just on. Wait, where's it at? I'll circle it. Okay, so somehow it was updated 4 days ago. And like I may not be like the best person at math, but like if something were created on 5/26 today and it's currently it created at 11:48 today. Before I even loaded it actually, which is interesting. Or after I loaded it, which is interesting. So yeah, this math don't line up for me. Let's mark this up. All right, so we're done with that. I'll have to. Not sure if I'll have to, but we'll do this. Did the channels change again? Okay. My gosh. All right. I don't even know. Oh my gosh. All right. So, sound like I'm hating, but I am actually. I don't care. Apple is starting to piss me off. My headphones keep connecting to other devices, even though I didn't ask it to do that. I fucking hate this automatic headphone switching to all of these different devices. It's not good. The fact that I can't turn it off is starting to really piss me off. Is it working out? Okay, all right. Well, you're seeing, yeah, you're seeing. I don't know. All of that happened because I guess when I touched my iPad, Apple is like, oh, you must want to connect your headphones to this other device, even though it's already connected to another device. I don't know. But it seems to be stable now. So yeah. So somebody changed my dock and they didn't follow what was already here, like the headers. That was my first tip off. It's like the headers are wrong. And then this right here, like, what is this? want to make sure that my activity ID, this, is somehow reflected in the API thing. Yeah, a little bit confused into how does it know which one? I'm not gonna lie, this whole Swift UI thing is very clunky. Like, the developer experience for Apple is trash. And I guess that's probably why a lot of their software is trash too. That explains it. Like, the best thing about Mac OS is the stuff that they didn't, like the stuff that Apple didn't do. Like X, which is not Apple. Or OpenBSD, or BSD, which is also not Apple. Just goes to show that you don't have to be a great engineer to build a valuable company. Like, engineering is not that important. Product is. That's actually why I use Apple. It's not because their software is great.
See, funny thing about love is you never really know when it's coming.
Oh wait, that's my trigger. Oh gosh, I'm not even looking at the right thing. I want to say the name of the activity or live activity. It should be here somewhere. Maybe not. Where's my start? Oh, here we are. Activity ID. Okay, there we are. So here we are. Some LA ID. So that's my ID. Now here's my current question. How does this know from let's see. Let me move this to here so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Alright, so this name. I wonder if this needs to be, if this is the ID. It's not obvious. I'm just gonna put that in there. And why is my, what the fuck? Like, you didn't see, if you're watching, you didn't see this, but this app switcher, for some odd reason, it launched over on this other monitor that I'm not even using. Like, I'm here, focus is here, and it's like, let me open it over here where you're not looking. Oh wait, no, I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for my simulator, which I don't have. Oh wait, no, I do. Here we are, simulator. All right, so let's move this over here. Given that I'm not getting logs, it's like I don't need it anymore. So let's see if, yeah, all right, we're there. Drivers on their way. Let's do that. I don't know it's accepting it, like it's giving me back an ID. What am I supposed to do with the ID though? You might get what you ask for, so you better be sure. So this thing just introduced this new term, an alert notification. I don't know, this doesn't make sense to me. Activity.enter, is that what I'm doing? I think that's what it's compiling, so that is obviously what I'm doing, but I do want to confirm that's what I'm doing. Yep, enter. Yeah, I'm doing exactly that. Okay. I need to exercise my options. I forgot. I was supposed to do this a while ago, actually. Sorry, I just got a notification. It's like, oh yeah, by the way, you got these options. You should probably do some. All right, how much is this about to cost me? 45. Wait, what? How much am I about to pay a tax? Tax is 0. Okay. Ah, shit, I'm AMT. Fuck. Fuck. Subject to AMT. Yeah. Shit. Damn. Man, I need to do something. I'm tired of taxes, for real. I gotta talk to my accountant. Says I could be subject. It doesn't say that I am, but as someone who's been subject to it for the past 3 or 4 years, I'm like, I don't know, kind of over it. All right, so I am blocked. I need support from the rest of the team on this live activity thing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pause this. Make sure that I've committed everything. I thought I literally discarded that. Like, go away. I don't care. All right. And let's do a merge. And I'll make it public too. I'm not gonna make it public yet, but I will soon. So I also need to complete this README as well. So where is that doc at? It's probably my history. Live activity. So I like the link and attribute things. Get rid of that. Wait, what? What? Surely that's not what I copied. I'm quite positive that is not what I just copied. cool. Let's see what else is happening. So it turns out that it's potentially, wait, hold on. Yeah, it didn't find any tokens to send to. Something like that. Is name the same as activity ID? Damn it. Alright, I guess I get to look at it here. Where is my thing at? LAID. What the hell? There we are. All right, so I'm over here about to type in here like this is the thing. I think we figured it out. My live activity doesn't match this. This should be that. Yeah, I don't know if I believe that. Let's launch this on the 14th. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay. Did that replace? Yeah, all right, yeah, I need to make sure it gets replaced. All right, so then we'll start the live activity. Go away, go away, go away. God damn. and then I'll do this. Let me make sure that this requests some LA ID. Is that the same thing? Some LA, yeah, it is. It is. All right, so. What's up, Yanni? How you doing? All right, yeah, so that wasn't my issue. And yeah, so the casing thing wasn't my issue. And at this point, I was just reaching. I didn't think it should have any effect because it's in the URL. So if you know anything about URLs, you know that they're not case sensitive. Just say lunch, man. I'm over here sitting. I'm hungry right now. Actually, it's actually my lunchtime. Whether or not I'm gonna take a lunch, yeah, we'll see. What? Create appointments on Instagram? I don't understand why I need to create an appointment for this. Well, not right now. I'm trying to get my live activity to work. For real. So here's the live activity. If I can like get it to do the thing. So I have this live activity that's launched, and I have this over here, which is supposed to update this live activity whenever I send a request. So like it should say, I am Will Shepherd, something, I don't know, it should do something. It's not. So yeah, that's currently what's happening. And then I was wondering like who edited my docs. I figured it out who and like what they changed. So I need to go and like make some additional changes. Give me a second. What was I saying? Yeah, I don't even remember what I was saying. but yeah, I'm gonna do some SDK stuff, but not SDK stuff. So one of the things that I still need to do is, if I can find it, come over to, let's go to these SDKs. All right, so you'll notice here that this is using the wrong banner, or not the wrong, the old banner. We have a new one, which is not currently being used. So I thought I had did my PR not get merged? What is this? One signal. Am I not logged in? Yeah, I'm logged in. .github. Okay, I was about to say interesting. Like, why can't I see it on here? All right, so we have our profile, which has this image right now. Now it looks like I've already updated it. Yeah, I did. Fuck. I need somebody. I just need someone to review. Did I open this 3 days ago? Oh my god. All right. Anyway, I can show what this is supposed to look like. So here's what our new logo looks like, and here's what the old one. Here, let's do it back. We'll do that. Maybe it'll be easier to just show it in Figma. I can show it side by side. Server error, what the fuck? In the 403, what's a 403? Forbidden. Interesting. All right, sure. I guess I don't have access to things anymore. So this is the new logo right here. And this is the old one. What's the difference? The old one has 2 bands. The new one has 1 band for one signal. I just made that last part up. Don't believe that. Did they change the docs without getting reviewed? Yeah, they were changed while I was in Taiwan, and normally that's not a big deal. Like, yeah, like that's not a big deal. The problem is README doesn't show version history. I just discovered this today. Here, I'll show you. So I have some screenshots. So you'll see here, this says that this page was created on 5/26/1148. Unfortunately, oh, you can see the time. I took this at 11:52 after I was reading the page on the website, which is really weird. Also, to add salt, this page that it claims was created today at 11:48 a.m. was last updated 4 days ago. How is that possible? Either I created it today, or it was created a long time ago, and you just lost all my history, and you're just gaslighting me and saying, oh yeah, it was created today, that's why you don't have history. Like here. So I went to here to see page history, to see what's changed, who changed it when, and like exactly what. Nah, it's like, nah, you created this today. It's fucking gaslighting. Alright, so he's thinking that like my token may not be getting passed. So let me print out that token just to make sure. I think I did this before, just to make sure I actually am. I don't even have to do it. Let's do this. Yeah, live activity push token. All right. Oops. Is it? Damn it. All right. So let's see if this is. I don't think this is a web token. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't fit the format. But I'm gonna just drop it in here anyway. No, it's not. Okay. Is it base 64 maybe? Nope. All right, I don't know what that is. It must just be like some arbitrary string. But yeah, I need somebody to I need someone to like do this so I'm blocked. I can't do anything right now. So I need to submit a feature request. At least I was just asked to about something like this, about this stuff. What are you doing this weekend, Yanni? Got anything planned? We still don't have teams. Or do we? There's data engineering. Someone. Oh wait, do I need to do this for 1 Signal developers? I don't think I do. Let's see. Excuse me. 1 Signal developers. That's the. Did I get up? I don't know. Oh no, we're good. Nah, I'm good on my end. It's the the stuff that I have ownership over. I'm good. It's the other thing. All right. So then, yeah. Let's see. Build a list of potential products to drop ship. That's what I have a plan. Well, sure. I think drop shipping is stupid, but have fun. Have fun. Like, I don't understand why people buy shitty products. That's what dropshipping is to me. It's just shitty products. I've never bought anything nice from dropshipping. Speaking of nice things, I want to show you something. I'm not about to get up. I'm going to just show you a picture. It's easier. New briefcase, baby. Wait, is it gonna play? Look at that. Look at that. They not drop shipping this though. No chance in hell. And hold on, wait. It gets better. Look at that design. It's just classic. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear that. That's Roscoe if you hear anything. Inside of it is pretty dope too. All leather, you know. It's got my lock. It's nice. Well, that's my suitcase that I plan to put. I think we'll see. Like, I'm planning to put some, you know. I was going to do it. I talked to my cousin last night about it, and he agreed. He's like, yeah. Cause I was like, yeah, it's probably not a good idea. Cause I had planned to put like, yeah, I'm sure you can guess. Like, knowing where I'm at, like you could probably guess what I was thinking about putting in that suitcase. Just to do it, I was going to put it as like a rail or something, and then I was like, no, if I do that, people will then know. I'm like, yeah, I need to keep people thinking that I'm broke, so I'm not gonna do that. But the other thing that that's here. Wait, where is it? Where's Frodo's? Did I close it? All right, never mind. I've closed it. And honestly, wait, is it my lunch? Yeah, it's my lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about other stuff because. Oh wait, hold on. Before I talk about other stuff, let me finish what I said I was gonna do. So I need to submit feature request to end. I don't really know about auth, basic auth scene. And I will do this today. Also, I need to mark, wait, this is blocked. Say why. Alright, let me do something. Where are we at? I know that I asked this question. All right, what is this about? So let's just search. Why is this not searching? All right, there we are. So then we'll say from me. Then we'll do, it needs to include the term SVN. I wonder if I drafted it and then never sent it like a dumbass. I do that sometimes. Nah, I wasn't a dumbass this time. Okay, so then why thing that I asked for not here. Someone responded and said something, maybe not. I'm probably gonna stream this weekend, Yanni. Maybe you know this. Maybe you don't because you're not in school. Like you're off. You don't care anymore. It's a holiday. Monday's a holiday. So I do intend to stream at least one day over this weekend. And I may even edit a video. We'll see. I got the Final Cut for iPad. It's actually kind of dope. I like it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's blocked. This right here is also blocked. And all right, what else is this? Signal developers or Republic latest logo. Well, this is already done, but no, it's not. iOS SDK code sample model. Yeah, this is almost done. Docs for live activities, deprecation support. Okay. All right, I think it's about time to make my thing public. It's not done yet, but I don't care. It's making my life a little harder to not have it available because I can't share it to people outside of the developer, whatever this org is. Oops, wrong thing. What? No, I don't think that was. All right. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm over here having side conversations. Are you gonna come? Are you coming to Houston, Yanni? Did you decide? Do you want to come here? Because I think I'm not gonna say names, but like you know who he is. I think he's supposed to be coming next month. So if you're interested in coming, like you should coordinate with us. We can get you set up. Gosh, what is that? What is that airport? Dulles? Is that the one that's near you? Yeah. H. I don't actually know when he's coming. I'm just getting the idea of like what prices are going to be. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, you're flying economy. You can upgrade yourself. Yeah, I'm not paying $750. I'll pay $5 though. Yeah, you want to? All right. Well, figure out like when, figure out when everything's happening, like when people are coming, sooner rather than later. And yeah, get you a ticket. I have flight credits too, so like don't worry. Like it's not enough to matter to me because most of my flights are more than this. So like it's like saving $200 is like who cares? But when I'm not flying, of course, I want to save as much money as possible. Let's see what Southwest is too. Southwest is closer, more likely to pick you up. You would have to take an Uber if you go to IAH. Well, no, I get free. I get free energy. I would pick you up, depending on the time. All right, so we want to do Dulles. Oh, it's IAD, and then we want to go to HLU, and let's see where we're at. I don't know. I'm just picking random dates, bro. Like, don't at me. Okay. Oh shit, it's cheap. 256, 236. All right, yeah. All right, I got you, bro. I'm pretty sure this could be free too, cause I think I have points. I don't fly Southwest that often. I don't have enough points. Only 19,000. That's nothing. Or maybe it is something. Oh shit! All right, bro. All right, yeah, I got you. We get you for free, cause I don't fly Southwest. So like these points aren't valuable to me. Although I could also use it for myself and like get there, I suppose. I think he said binge, maybe. Okay. Make sure the things that yeah, this is blocked. That's not blocked. This is in progress. I mean, you know what? I'm going to finish today. All I need to do is like, well, I can't finish it because it's technically not done. It doesn't work all the way. So I can't do that yet. So that's technically blocked. Doxologic, this is all the same thing. So this is dependent. So yeah, maybe I should just say add dependencies. This is the iOS code sample. And I need to verify if this is even something that needs to happen. Let's see. And I can't show the private conversation, so you know. Just got to make sure this is not something. Okay, this is the deprecation. Okay. I thought I had a dock area for deprecations. Did that get removed? No, it didn't. But it is concerning to me that where's this page? What the fuck? I don't know if I did this and messed it up or if this was messed up after I did things. But I do need to add this to the deprecations, I think. All right, let's see if I can find Ellie's thread. How many people work here? I can't show this button. I gotta move this off. I don't know. That's the answer to your question, but I might be able to figure that out, maybe. All right, so we got 168 people in the company, and whatever. I don't know I don't know. I don't know how many people are in engineering. Yeah, I don't know, but it's at least it's over 20. I know that. I can say that for sure. It's over 20 people in our engineering department, and that's including me. There might be at least 40, maybe. Now that I think about it, yeah, we may have close to 40 now. But I mean, it's not. Dev teams don't work the way that, and this is for people who aren't in the industry. Companies often don't work the way that you think. So let's say, for instance, you're at a startup, they have 200 employees, and let's say they have 50 people in engineering. From an outsider's perspective, that may seem like the team, but that's not true. That's the organization. Within that organization, there are several teams, and oftentimes they may do completely different things. So it's hard to answer. Right, so like I have a team, it's me. There's a SDK team. There is I'm gonna call them feature teams. Like we have teams who are over certain channels, teams who are over certain portions of the product. Like it really depends. Curious why this hasn't been reviewed. What else? So go ahead and get out of that. Don't need that anymore. I need to submit a feature request regarding this area of the stuff. Go ahead and close that. Don't need that anymore. Not doing Android. We'll pin this. So I'm over here doing some organization because after working for a little bit, things could get a little bit messy, and makes my life a little bit harder. All right, so we're going to go ahead and stop this application, and okay, yeah, I guess that's it. Except for my phone showing up somewhere. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so here's what's next. I can't update the one signal repos, but I can update these repos. So there is a way that I can automate this, and I'm going to walk through a strategy or an approach. Doesn't mean that I'm going to use it. It's just showing how you can think about, automating your work. And maybe I will. Who knows? We'll see. Close that. No, we'll just close that window. Okay. All right. So let's start from the top. We have an organization. So GitHub, if you are if you're just a regular person, you probably just have a personal account. Within your personal account, you can have several repos. Well, we have this other concept called an organization in GitHub. And the only difference really is you can have multiple users who are part of that organization. There's also some other, we won't get into that. There's some other things as well. But the similarity is that they both have repositories, right? Several repositories. So you can find all repositories by user, or given the user, or given an org. Now, if I'm not mistaken, what the fuck? Okay. Is it just my keyboard? Okay, no, it's not that. Okay, fine. All right, it works now. That is weird. Okay, so if you look at GH, we'll make this full screen. This is the GitHub CLI, the command line thing. And it's really nice because it makes doing certain things a little bit easier. So there's this repo where we can manage repositories. So we'll do that, GH repo. And you'll see it's going to give some help. So we can list all the repositories owned by organizations. So let's do that. And this is going to give me paged results. Now, because this is paged and there's some formatting, I can actually send this to another program to pull out. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. It's giving me my personal stuff. Okay. So something has just broken my mental model. What if I put one signal developers? All right, no, never mind. I'm back to my mental model. All right, so this is the list of all of our repos. I don't like. I don't like that it's using a pager. All right. Disregarding the fact that it's being displayed in this manner that I don't like, the key part is that I can get a list of all of the repositories within an organization. I can do something with that. Specifically, I can do gh repo clone, and if I'm passing things through, like if I'm doing something on the shell, right, I can basically take every line, process it. I only need the first column. So let me go back. So I only need this first column here. So I can do that gh repo clone and pass this, like pass the set, and it will go off and clone all of those repositories. That's step one. Why is that step one? Well, if we look, let's go to OneSignal developers. So if you look in here, there are not 53 repositories here. So I'm lazy. I have zero interest in going and cloning 53 repositories manually. Yeah, I have better things that I can do. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to pipe this to a file on my desktop, and we're gonna call this OneSignal developers, signal developers org. And I'm going to hope that this is just going to give me everything and not be like, oh, this is the output that we just saw. No shit, it's not all. I need all 53. That's what I need. So I got to figure out how to convince the CLI to give me everything that I need in life. So let's do lists. All right, that's not what I want. Target commands: archive, clone, delete, deploy, edit, fork, read. No fucks. Inherit, nope, don't care. Repository could be yeah. All right, none of this helps. None of that helps. I could have swore that I typed GH for this. Oh, maybe I can do this JSON. What I want is for it to not limit. That's really all I'm asking for. That's all I need. Just don't limit the output. Okay. So this is useful. Let me. I think he put that in the. Yeah, he put that in the assign ticket. Sorry, we're good. Sorry. So let's. Okay. Oh, and also maybe I should put in the org developers, and the thing that I care about is the name, I think. Yes and no. I could use that. I could use the name, but I want the org too, because I don't want to. It's fine. Whatever. Yeah, we're going to use the name. So then we're going to do name, and we're going to pipe this to that file that I was just looking at. What was it? OneSignal developers. All right, so let's go inside of this OneSignal developer thing. All right, we get markup or mark, whatever this is, but this doesn't seem like 50. It could be. It could be. Let's see. So what we're going to do is we're going to do shit. Do that. Nah, it's only 29 records. Oh my gosh. I just need all of them. Just give me all of them. Gosh. All right, maybe this is a configuration setting. Let's see. Stuff like this is what makes my life difficult. It's like I know exactly what I need to do. I know what I want to do. And I know that this tool can technically do it. It's just limitation. It's not giving me all the output. I need everything. I don't want just 29. But before I do that, let me do this right quick. So we're gonna do cat, and we're gonna pass this to JQ, and the program is I want .name. Oh, match is found. Oh wait, let me make this a program. JQ error, cannot index array with string name. What? Who? Should I actually look at the output? I should look at the output right quick. That would help. This is an array of... Okay, it's an array. So let's get that part out the way first. Let's just do array dot array. Okay. Now from here, I think we should be able to do that name. There we go. Cool. So from here, I should be able to take this output and prepend like the string right here. One signal developers. I think I could use that slash, something like this, and I could do like some type of concatenation. That. I still need to get all of these. Anyways, so what's going to happen is I'm going to do some text processing. I can't talk. I'll try this again. I'm going to do some text processing, and I'm going to prepend one signal developers slash to each one of these names. Once I do that, I'm going to then pipe that on. I think I could use xargs for this. I should be able to use xargs to take all of these lines, split it so that it's on one line but space separated, and then do gh-repo clone and pass it that list along with the directory that I want to dump it in. So that's step one. After that step, what I will need to do, and I'm kind of gonna show this now. So let's go into one of these. One signal node, that's probably cool. So we'll go into one signal node. Oh, and another thing, the other text processing, I can't talk again. I'm going to do is I'm lowercasing. I hate this like capitalized crap. I'm lowercasing everything. But anyway, so all of these repos are very similar. If we look inside, they all have a README. So what I can do is something like this. I can do this. I get all of the directories that I have, and for each for loop, for each directory, I'm gonna go into the top level of that directory, grab the README file. Let's actually do that. I said I was gonna show it, and then I didn't. Let's go back to where I was. All right, so then let's look at this README. So all of these READMEs are markdown, but that doesn't really matter. I don't need to do any parsing because this is really easy. All I need to do is do a find replace. And technically, I don't even know if I had to do iteration for this. I could probably use a shell command to like do a grep and replace every instance of this string. Let me find that string. Here. Wait, no, not that one. Wait. Oh, shit. Might not be able to do that. This is why it's useful to use templates. So, fuck, I'm gonna have to do this manually. I can't. Only my repos, only the repos that I created, I can do this strategy where because they're all the same, I could literally like go in and say replace these lines, and it'll just work. I just realized that this is going to be more work because I had a very strong assumption in my mind that all of our repos were like And I know that's a dumb assumption because I didn't do all of these, but in the last 6 months, I've only looked at my repositories. So you can forgive me for thinking that they're all like mine. Fuck. All right, it's whatever. I'm not that mad. $56 of these though. God, 53. Shit. Well, no, there's not. This doesn't count. This doesn't count. Or does it? No, it doesn't count. This counts. Okay, let's start updating. So, oops, assets. So this is the update. Literally, I just need to come into here, grab the raw link, and I got a meeting. What is it? 120. Oh shit! Man, I have a design for him that I gotta do. All right, whatever. So let's get back to this. So I need to update the banner, and I want to say that this is the new banner. To confirm, I'm gonna go to another browser. Let me pull that over here so you see it here. Now this is what I wanted the whole time, but for some reason it didn't work last time. Let me see if it'll work now. Oh, come on now. Just creating this PR because that's the only way I can preview to see if this is going to work the way that it should. And it does. All right, perfect. So we're good. Let me go ahead and merge this. All right, so now we are using the latest banner here. So iOS is done. I now have 51 more to go. And I also need to write these getting started instructions that I can't do just yet, but those will come soon. Let me go ahead and go back. It's easy enough. So like, I'm not gonna clone these because that's just too much effort. I'm not doing that, especially if I can't automate it, which I've just learned that I can't. Because as you can see, they're not all the same. They're all different. I'm not gonna touch this, or am I gonna touch this? Yeah, I'm not going to touch that. Not right now. Actually, no, I will touch this. I will just submit a PR. Oh, skip one. Next. Alright, I need to add this to my list of things. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not doing it today. So we're gonna say complete readme for next push sample, and I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna have a due date. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna try to have this done before the end of the month. And let's throw in the thing. This is low priority, to be honest. All right, cool. What else am I not gonna be able to complete today? Yeah, so WordPress, not doing that today. One signal org, not doing that today. But I will be doing this today. Well, in this sprint. So like I'm kicking these things out because they're blocked, and it's not because of me. And this is just happening next week, so like that's fine. iOS SDK code. Yeah, this is also going to get kicked. Yeah, this is also getting kicked. Application. We'll complete that today. Submit feature. Yeah, I'll do that this sprint as well. So I think we're good. All right. Oops. Okay, so let's see what this is about. Oh shit. Okay, this is starting to show me that I need to. There's a lot of work. Shit. I just closed Chrome too. Audio dropped again, so I just realized it doesn't allow us our readme template. Okay. All right, so I'm only gonna address the things that are currently using our, which is it's not most things. So I'm noticing a pattern. All of my things use a header, but anything that wasn't done by me doesn't. Creating these PRs because one, I have a PR based workflow, but two, this is how I verify that I'm not screwing shit up. Like I can come and look to make sure it works. It seems to work. So then I'm gonna go ahead and merge this. Branch protections. Oh yeah, whatever. I don't think I want to hold this up for that. And we have the latest. All right, perfect. Okay, we've done a lot of like. Wait, is that what we just did? Yeah. Oh. We have this live activity example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. That's what we're going to do. We're going to delete this repo, and it's all going to live in the iOS code sample because it's too much effort to try to maintain this. So what I'm going to do, excuse me, I'm going to fold this into my iOS app. Alright, so I don't have to change this because I'm folding this into my app, and that should be relatively easy to do. I'm just gonna take this widget, and because my sample application already has the stuff that I need, I can just basically drop it in. So like this should look very familiar. You can just drop it in. So that's gonna be relatively easy to do. What else do we got? You know what, Yanni, if you're still around, do you want to do this? You want to do some commits? Not some commits, some PRs. Let's see. You can get. I think you can get in the top. I'm checking because I don't actually know. Yeah, if you want to easily get into the top, well, you'll be in the top 2. I mean, most of them are just me. Some of these repos have a couple, or I think max 2 other contributors, maybe 3 in some cases. Allow the user to set email preference. Wait, why didn't I merge this? All right, well, I'm gonna send you this link. I don't think I can send it to you in chat without YouTube giving me another community strike. They gave me a fucking community strike for scamming you all because apparently black men can't code. That's what I think. They're like, oh yeah, you're claiming to teach people to code, you blackie don't know how to code. That's the feeling that I got. And then I asked about it on Twitter. They responded, and then nothing. Silence radio. I'm just like, okay. Yeah, so in order to not scam you, I can't type in the chat, I guess. All right, where are you, Yanni? All right, so the thing that I just sent you, the only thing you got to do is, hold on, let me go back. All that's required is to come into this list of report here. I'm gonna even send it to you. Send you that. I could put this in the, well, watch I get banned. Watch I'm gonna get banned because I'm sharing a link. So if you go here, this is all the repositories. So all you really got to do is click. If you see a banner like this with like one circle over the one, just go back. If you see, well, not this, let me go to something else. If you see something like this that doesn't even have a banner, you can also just go back. Doesn't matter, ignore it. If it looks like it's not code related, like this tech meetups, ignore it. You don't need it. Guidance. Wait, do you even have access? Yeah, you don't even you don't even have access to that. Yeah. So does that make sense? All you got to do is if you see a banner, replace it with that link in the README, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. So if you come here, edit, that link is this the thing that says the one signal. So it's literally the top of the file. You'll just delete that and put the link. That's if it's not no, this new one. There may only be like 3 or 4 more, maybe 5 more that use our banner that aren't up to date. So this could be it's like, oh yeah, it took me 2 or 3 minutes. It's like, yeah. And this is why I just realized that I can't automate this, because as you're seeing, these aren't all the same. Oh, here's one. So like Rust is one that you could do. Ruby, yeah. So you can't do Ruby. So it looks like there was a point in time where before I created this template, and I never went back and like back added it. I'm not asking you to do that. Don't do that. I will likely do that because it's also an opportunity to improve these instructions. And just to level up things a little bit more than where they are. So you know how to create PRs, right, Yanni? It's going to force you to fork these, just FYI, which is okay, I think. And what I would encourage you to do, like after you have done the things, which isn't much, is to try to run these things, not to give me feedback, but for yourself. Like some of these are like languages or runtimes or ecosystems that you're unfamiliar with. That's the point. So like for this Rust one, which is probably the first one that you're going to do, I want you to go back and install Rust on your computer and run these samples. Also try to like change it in some way. So this is your, you know, All right, so I think I'm done with this part of life. I've basically ran through my lunch break. Ah, shit. I have this meeting. It's whatever. But I'm going to talk about, since it's technically my lunch, I'm talking about what I have been thinking about lately, about the projects that I've been doing. So, I was doing YTT Gen, and that's still a thing. It's not completely dead, although I have little interest in it right now because I haven't been doing as much YouTube stuff. So it's just like, it's not going to solve my problem, my immediate problem. There are some other things that I'm in the middle of working on with others. For what it's worth, I will always prioritize a project where I have others working with me versus something that I'm doing on my own. Now, with that being said, I have been thinking about, building something, but like very different from what I'm usually building. So there's a CLI tool that I've been contemplating. I'm not going to get into like for what it does or for what it's for. The other one is iOS, iPad OS, Mac OS. Just build a Mac app. So I want to do something that I've never done before. I've never built a Mac application using Cocoa or Swift UI or whatever the UI framework is for Mac OS. And the reason behind this is I want to get better with just using the tooling in Xcode. So I think that's a good way to do that. I've also been thinking about doing like a little library. So every now and again, I'll be doing something creative, and because my mind is very tech focused, I'm always like, oh, how can I incorporate tech into this? Now, there is something that I would like to do, but I don't know how easy this will be to do. But I have a camera, a Sony A7. I have like a few of them. And one of the projects that I've been wanting to do is to put a camera outside on my balcony. I have like a little mount that I can keep it and just slide it in, because I can't keep it there all the time. But anyway, the point is that I like sunsets, or at least someone I knew loved sunsets. So I grew to love them. And the sunsets here are beautiful. In fact, here, I can show one. I was thinking it would be cool to like just have like a montage, or like a whatever the word is, of sunsets throughout the days, every day. Right? So I do make it a point when I remember to do it, but sometimes I'm not here. Sometimes I forget. But like this image, for instance, like in my opinion, even though you can't really see the sun, it's okay. It's beautiful. And I would like to be able to like get images with the same perspective, the same focal length, the same aperture, the same like camera settings, and take a picture at the same time of the day. And then over a year, I have 365 images. Maybe I take more than one, I don't know. But like I have 365 images, and then I can kind of like see what every day looks like. There's another one, the video. Yeah. Oh, this isn't the video. But like, to me, this is awesome. And I hate that I have to like go outside to do it. Like I have to remember to do it. And I'm thinking about ways that I cannot do it. By the way, no, that's not it. No, I guess I don't show the camera. I also have this Fuji. I can do it with that too. Like I could do it with any camera. It doesn't matter. It's just I want to do something. All right, let me close this. Creative PR. I appreciate it. I'll review them. Like, I don't know how many there'll be, but like they'll get reviewed and they'll be merged by Monday, more than likely. I know Monday's a holiday, but like I plan to. Yeah, as you see, I have things that, in fact, some of the stuff submit request. I can do this. Yeah, I can do that Monday, or repost with latest. Yeah, that's why I'm not doing that. Deprecation support. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be around part of Monday doing work, but I'm also going to be doing other stuff and some other things that I gotta go in like five or so minutes. But one of the other things that I've been, it's not really thinking, I've actually been actively working towards this, is interviews. Working with other people, entrepreneurs specifically, who are building products, like they're founders essentially. And it would be a way for them to, just talk about what they're building, as well as kind of get the word out. Obviously, I don't have a large following right now, but that can change. And also just get them comfortable with just like being online in front of an audience. And it'll also help me because then I get content. I get to continue to talk to people who I like to talk to. Basically what I do now, I get to just talk, but it's online. And other people get to sit in on the conversations. Yanni, you kind of have an idea of what I'm getting at because you're part of something. So it'll be along those lines. And we've already had a conversation, but that was internal. This would be public. So this is something that I've been planning. I will likely dedicate more time to it in the summer. Let's see when this quarter is over. 2023 quarter, fiscal quarter. Maybe I'll just do quarter. Okay. What quarter is it? Calendar? Misspelled everything. I don't care. Fiscal quarters. That's good enough. I just need the dates. June 30th. Okay. So by Q3, I will start this. That's what I was. Yeah. Yeah, so I see I have a couple people other than, one person watching. Do y'all have audio went out again? Looks like I'm about to end at the right time because audio issues. It's been solid, except for one or two issues, but it's been mostly solid until just now, and now it's starting to fail. Yeah. Yeah. Before I go, Yanni, make sure you talk with person. You know who I'm talking, like in the channel. Like, ask when things are happening, and I can ask too, but like I will forget, and it'll be on my own time. So it's like you should do it sooner rather than later, and let me know, and then we can get your flights. Yeah, we can get your flights and all that kind of stuff set up, I guess. I'm over here getting dragged into most. I need to go. I'm about to go. Y'all have a good rest of the day. I will see y'all maybe this weekend. So yeah, peace.